Agile and DevOps can transform organizations, but how do you measure the value they're delivering in yours? Value stream management is a lean business practice that helps drive process efficiency, minimize waste, maximize visibility to stakeholders, measure success metrics, and deliver greater value to customers. According to a study conducted by Forrester Consulting on behalf of CollabNet version 1, VSM has helped 90% of early adopters create new value for customers. VSM users are twice as likely to have a complete picture of software development and delivery work status at the product, portfolio, and enterprise level, with clearer insight into key inputs for tracking value. They can identify and resolve disconnects in the end-to-end value stream, give user views into where value is generated and lost, and optimize throughput. Value stream management captures, creates, delivers, and measures the flow of value from business opportunities to business outcomes. CollabNet version 1's Enterprise Value Stream Management solution uniquely integrates the entire software value stream, providing the visibility your business needs to deliver software that matters. Start here to find the value in your value stream.